Or 25 for the practice exam. In an investigation to examine the effects of using charts of past trends to produce future prices, 21 business students are selected. They are to trade a foreign currency at computer monitors with the goal of making as much money as possible. The 21 business students are then randomly selected to be in one of each of the following. So a computer and paper access, but no computer access to a price history of the foreign currency, a computer and computer access to price history of the foreign currency, a computer with software available that helps to highlight trends or for foreign currency. 7 students are randomly assigned to each treatment, and the amount of profit they made over a 2-month period is measured. What is the response variable? Okay, so the amount of profit is what we're measuring, or what we're trying to distinguish between 3 different treatments. So that is our response variable, our y, right? How much money they make with the different treatments. So what are the experimental units? It's the 21 business students, right? They're trying to figure out how much money these guys are going to make with the different treatments. And so what kind of study is this an example of? Well, check this out. This isn't anything complicated, like, not complicated. This isn't like a stratified design, a match pair design, or a block design, or any of those type of designs. All we're doing is we're selecting the 21 students, and we randomly assign them to 3 different treatments. And so it's a randomized comparative experiment because we're trying to compare of the 3 treatments of who will make them up or most profit. So that's why it's called a randomized comparative experiment. Letter D, make an outline diagram of the above experiment. So all this question is asking you to do is make an outline. So you start with a random assignment from group 1, 2, or 3, and then the corresponding treatments for each group, and then you compare the amount of profit. And that's all this question is. It's, I think, pretty okay. The outline part, I mean, you're gonna really have to read the whole question and really understand all the information that are given to you. But it is all given to you. They tell you that the 21 students are randomly selected to be one of the 3 groups, right? So you have random assignment to the 3 groups, and then the 3 groups have a corresponding treatment. And then towards the end, they need to measure the amount of profit. So that's it for number 25.